Good morning. It's Saturday, sometime in September. I think it's the 12th of September 2015. Maybe it's the 11th, I don't know. It's Saturday anyway. Another day, another dog walking. Yeah, I'm making my mom some Alfredo noodles. This kitchen's getting to be a wreck again. I'm going to put this fan back together, fan blades and all that, on this light. And come out and vacuum it and then just put it together, screw it. I'm not going to get carried away with this place anymore like I used to care. I'm caring less and less. Okay, I have to make a new grocery list today. Yeah, I didn't have time to mess around. Pretty simple to cook this stuff. Turn it down to simmer, 4.5 on this. It's really good stuff, really. 7 minutes, okay. There, 7 minutes. Okay, there it is, some fettuccine Alfredo from home. Alright, I set a ladder up so I can reach this thing. I got all the parts. So I'll put this light back together. Well, apparently over the years, people have removed some screws out of this pack and now there aren't enough screws. So we're missing at least 3 screws. I'll put 2 blades up. That'll be balanced. What a stressful issue. I don't know why people would pull screws out. It's actually been hanging on the wall there since I was in Florida, which is about 8, 9, or 10 years ago. Maybe even more. No, actually, that was 15 years ago. Wall's been sitting on the... They've been sitting on the wall for 15 years. When I left, my mom was going to clean it and have Robert put these up. Since then, I've been living in Virginia, and now I'm back here. Crazy. Well, the good news is I found the missing screws. They're in another bag. They weren't with the screws. I guess somebody thought about putting these together at one point, but they just never did. I have 1 blade up. Yeah, moving right along. This is missing a screw too, I can see. It's like some kind of a bulb globe thing probably goes in there. Don't know what. If it turns up, or if one turns up that fits somewhere, I'll put one on, but otherwise, screw it. Well, here we go again. We're in and out. Walking a dog in the rain. That's a good dog, Mario. He's got the life. Well, there's my meal for the day. Wow, that's crazy. The top part of this bush is somehow over there. Must have been a bunch of wind or something.